Today we got a damaged MSV90. Oh, let's open the cover and see what's the problem. A very common breakdown is capacitor leaking. We can clearly see the leaking here. But today's problem is here. Here it has a corroded spot. Issue on car is oil pressure regulating valve has a short circuit. The short circuit must be what caused the capacitor leakage. The short circuit must be what caused the capacitor leakage. Now let's repair it. The situation here is pretty bad. Let's use a grinder. And now proceed to repair. By soldering wire, we can jump the circuit so it will work. Now let's change the broken capacitor. First remove it. Let's proceed to repair the area we grinded before. Okay, we fixed the area around. We use an UV lamp to complete the job. Let's replace the capacitor now. Using the soldered wire, we can measure if there is still a short using the continuity function of the multimeter. Before we had continuity, okay, we are testing now. There is no continuity now, so short circuit has been solved.